Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're back with the Ryobi 1 Plus 18V tool range. Now I've got a few of these and I decided to get this recently because I thought this would be handy if my tyres need pumping up very quickly and I don't need to visit the service station, so I thought I'd get this particular unit in. Now it's good for pumping up tyres and also any inflatable stuff, and I suppose you could use it for balloons and all sorts of things. It does include all the little adapters, which is pretty good. So anyway, like all my videos, let's get it out the box, have a bit of a closer look at what you get and how good this unit is. Okay, so the first thing out the box is basically a warranty card and a basic manual, and this will tell you the operation of this unit. Now I noticed that this unit is basically rated to operate continuously for 5 minutes and then you must give it 5 minutes break, so that's something to take into consideration if you're going to get this unit. And finally we've got the actual Ryobi tool itself. Now this is one of the skinless range, so it doesn't come with a 18V battery, but I have a lot of Ryobi tools and batteries, so that's no problem for me. But if you're buying this, be aware that there is a skinless version and a version that will also come with a battery, and buy appropriately to whatever you need. Now it fits quite comfortable in one's hand. You've got your switch here which is for operating the device, but there's no locking mechanism, so you can't leave the device running without your hand holding the trigger, which is a bit of a negative, but it's okay. On the back you've got an analog PSI gauge. It's not in digital like some other ones, but that's quite clear and big, which is quite handy. And you've got a fairly reasonable length hose with the adapter for your tyre, and you've also got various interchangeable parts here for doing balloons and balls and other things that need to be inflated. So overall it's pretty good, and plus you've got this sort of thing at the top here which is kind of for holding the hose so it can keep it out the way and hold it nice and neat. So next, let's go test this device and see if it works quite well pumping up one of my car tyres. Well, there you go, there's my look at the Ryobi Plus One 18V pressure inflator device, and overall it's not bad. It's definitely handy if you've got an average size car like myself and your tyres are a bit low and you want to pump them up a bit. If you've got something rather more beefy, a bigger vehicle, this probably isn't something you'd want to get. You want to get something a bit more with a bit more oomph than this. But overall it's pretty neat. It's not overly loud, and it also is handy if you've got balloons, balls or whatever else inflatable that you need to pump up with air and you want to use this. It would work quite well. So overall I can recommend it, and I'm certainly happy that I purchased it. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.